is a premier fabricator. We operate in the space and a premier provider for tier one customers, supplying not only custom fabrications, but leak-proof. We're really good at making leak-proof vessels. So
we have same challenges as everybody in the industry at this time, getting skilled labor and help, trying to increase our manufacturing. And so, this gives us the ability to increase those things and not use as many skilled labor workforce.
The goal of this is to increase our output. The main message from our customers is that we already provide a premier product to them. They just need more. And the demand for this product, in particular the fuel tanks and that, is ever increasing, regardless of the technology where it's going, whether it's HVO, diesel fuel, battery storage, and things of that nature. At the end of the day, they need leak-proof vessels, and we need to increase our output is the message that we heard from our customers to meet that demand. So that's why this system is completely important to our growth trajectory.
Yeah, we always have challenges, and there's always things that come up that you never planned for. So the ability to be flexible and work as a team together to create a solution it's invaluable.
So, as far as building our portfolio across the different segments that we meet, the value of this is it allows us the flexibility of meeting different markets. We serve the data center market as well as the construction and agricultural markets as well. As this integration and this opportunity is the value for us to meet different segments of the business. So our marketing is going to be more diverse and then more focused like it has been over the last 20 years. The next 5 years is, again, when we look at our top 20% of our revenue generating customers, most of that is in whether it's power generation, agricultural, construction, EV space. The trajectory for us is to continue to grow, and the future demand is going to have an additional value for us as we expand not only to this system, but potentially other systems as well, as a good complement to our resource. And really from a trajectory standpoint, we're not stopping. How is that going to build that vision? And really, I think the folks at Acieta, as far as clarifying that vision, can help really align their customer to bringing that vision more into focus. I think it's incredibly important from a sales perspective. Is we've talked about this project for some time now, and seeing it from the concept stage all the way to development and now to actual construction and utilization. I think it's important for our sales team to, it's helped us build a knowledge set that we didn't necessarily have prior to that. So I think it's going to be a good complement as we go out to market and target those other markets that we've talked about.
Our team here has had a great time working with United Alloy. They're great to work with. We have a great time together, and it really has just been a partnership from the beginning to the end. So we can't wait to finish this project and do more in the future.